In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Composer step by step on Linux. Now, Composer is a well-known open source dependency management tool for PHP. It is mainly used to help distribute and maintain project dependencies. So, for example, you're using Laravel, you're using Symfony. Okay, you're going to use Composer to manage your packages, okay, that you use in your program, more similar to npm for Node.js. All right, now to follow along with this tutorial, I have a step-by-step guide on my website. You can check it out here on ohineji.com and follow through. If you prefer a written version, I have all the codes you're going to need, and I'm actually going to follow this website or this step-by-step guide to guide you through how to install. So if you prefer a written step-by-step guide, then you should go to the website and check that one out. Or if you prefer the video, then I advise you keep watching. First of all, before we start, we want to make sure we have Git installed. We also want to make sure we have CURL installed. So I'll first check for Git. I have Git installed, and also check for CURL version. All right, I also have CURL installed. So I'll move straight to install the PHP CLI. Now to do that, we will first update our packages using apt-updates. Okay, so it should be done in a few minutes. I'll fast forward the video till when it is done. All right, so our packages are up to date. So we go ahead and install the URL, the PHP CLI. So you use apt install PHP CLI unzip. Okay, so I already have it installed, and it's telling me I'm having the latest version. So this is where we at the moment. Okay, let me increase there. All right, okay. So what we can do is from here, if you are in your home directory, then you can go ahead to follow the next step. But then if you are not, you want to go to your home directory. All right, so I'm currently in my home directory, and then let me clear this first. I'm going to copy a command with CURL. So there's the command that I'm going to run, CURL this -ss, and it's going to get the script for installing the PHP Composer. So I'm downloading the script from this link using CURL, and then right now it's downloaded. Okay, so I'm going to copy another code here and paste. Now what this code will do is that it's going to check to see whether our composer is verified. Okay, right, so it's going to check to see if the composer is verified. So once we've done that, you're going to echo out hash and see the prompt it gives us. Okay, so this the code we have. Okay, now I'm also going to paste another link here, and like I said, all the links are provided inside my website. Okay, so let me put it here. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Okay, so it's giving me installer verified. All right, so I have that installer verified. Then I can go ahead and do this to move the installer or install Composer globally on my system. Okay, so I press enter and it's going to download Composer and install. Okay, so it's actually going to take some time, so I'll get back to you. I'll forward the video and get back to you after it is done installing. Okay, so right now if I type Composer, I'm having an issue and it says Composer installed, use it. Okay, so this is what I'm having at the moment. I'll have to make some changes. Okay, all right, I think I'm having issues here now. Okay, I think that was the problem. So it should be done in some few minutes from now. And it's quite very simple to install Composer. All right, so Composer is now installed. If I do Composer, I now have this prompt. Okay, so Composer is installed, and like I said, that's as simple as it gets. Okay, so if you like this video, give it a like, share with your friends. Do well to subscribe to this channel. I release programming related videos, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. I also do PHP, React, and Vue.js. Okay, so if you like videos relating to these topics, you want to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.